Hello students, this is your composite mathematics of class 2. Today we are going to do our remaining portion from chapter number 1. Okay, look at here. This is your chapter number 1 which is in page number 7. Okay, but we have done it already, right? Look at here. Page number 8 we have already done. Page number 9 we already done. Page number 10 we have already done. Okay, but today we are going to do expanded form and short form, which is in page number 11, right? Which is in page number 11. Okay, now look at here. Expanded form and short form. Okay, before we start this chapter, before we start these exercises, let me tell you that what is expanded form. Okay, actually expanded form is a way of writing a number to show a sum of place value of each digit. Okay, look at here. I'll show you some examples that what is expanded form. Okay, look at here. Example of expanded form. Okay, what actually expanded form is. Okay, let's take an example of 26. Okay, how much is this? This is 26, right? This is 26. That is, in ones place there is a 6 and in tens place there is a 2. That means it is 26, right? 20, that is 20 and 6 is 6. If we add 20 plus 6 is equals to 26. Got it? So 20 means adding of 2 10, right? 20 means adding of 2 tens. That means 2 tens, right? Adding of 2 tens will become 20. Got it? But 6 is singular unit, right? 6 is singular unit. So we can say 6 ones. Okay, and 6 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. Got it? That means 2 is 2 tens because we are adding 2 tens. Okay, so 2 tens plus 6 ones is equals to 26. Got it? So when we are writing an expanded form of 26, let's see, when we are writing an expanded form of 26, we have to write it like this. 20 plus 6. Okay, or we can write in another way like 2 tens plus 6 ones. Okay, this is the another form of writing expanded form of 26. Okay, there are two ways. One is this one and another one is this one. Got it? So this is called an expanded form. That this is the way how you have to write expanded form. Okay, now come to our exercises portion. Look at here. Write the numbers in the expanded form. Okay, that means here are some numbers. Okay, you have to write the expanded form of that numbers. Okay, look at here. First is 6, 7, 67. Okay, and 7 is in ones place and 6 is in tens place. Got it? So now look at here. Look at here. 7 is in ones place. Okay, O is stand for ones. Okay, and T is stand for tens. Okay, so 6, 7, 67 is 6 is in tens place and 7 is in ones place. So as I told you that you have to write dash tens. That means 6 tens. Okay, and another one is 7 ones because 7 is in ones place, right? So 6 tens and 7 ones is equals to 6 tens means 60, right? 6 tens means 60, obviously. Okay, 6 times tens, that is 60. So we are writing 60, 60. Okay, and 7 is in ones place and it is in singular digit. So 7 we are writing like this. So okay, that is 60, 60 plus 7 is an expanded form of 6, 7, 67. Understood? Now come to our next portion, that is write in short form. Okay, and short form is just an opposite of expanded form. Understood? But before we start this, let me tell you that what is short form. Okay, short form is a way of writing a numbers using digit. Okay, so let me show you some examples of short forms. Okay. Okay, let's see the example of short form. Okay, let's take an example. 2, 6, 26. Okay, let's take an example of 26. 6 is in ones place and 2 is in tens place. Okay, so this is T W E N T Y 20 S I X 6. This is 26, right? So when we are writing 26, 20 means 20, right? And plus 6 is equals to 26, right? 20 means, as I told you, that this is an addition of 2 tens, right? This is an addition of 2 tens. Got it? So we can write 2 tens like this: 2 T E N S, tens, plus 6 is in ones place. That means 6 is singular digit. So you can write 6 ones. Okay, 6 ones. That means 2 tens plus 6 ones is equals to 26. Got it? That means this is an expanded form. Okay, 20 plus 6 is an expanded form, as well as 2 tens plus 6 1 is also an expanded form. But as I told you that the short form is just the opposite of expanded form, so this is your short form. Okay, when we are writing in a using digits. Okay, this is your short form. Okay, that means you have to make a shorten. Okay, you have to make this shorten. Okay, understood? So this is an example of short form. Now come to our exercises portion. Look at here. Write in short form. Let's see the example. Okay, one is already done for you. So look at here. 5 tens. Okay, 5 tens and 3 ones. That means 5 tens means 5 times tens. 5 into tens. Or you can say that 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay, 5 into 10, or 10 times 5 times 10 is 50. Got it? So 5 tens means 50. Okay, plus 3 ones. 3 ones means single unit. It is in ones place. So 3. We are writing 3 out here. That means 50 plus 3 is an expanded form, and when we are writing the short form, you have to write it like this: 53. Just you have to write the digit. Okay, ones and tens place. Got it? This is the way how you have to do the rest of the portion by yourself. Okay, now come to our next page, that is page number 12. Okay, look at your addition. Okay, let me tell you that what is addition is. Addition means combining of 2 or more digits, right? We usually signify it by the plus sign. Okay, look at here, addition. So this is your sign of addition. Okay, or the symbol of addition, right? This is your symbol of addition. Understood? So let's take an example of adding 8 and 4. Okay, let's take an example of addition 8 and 4. Okay, but you have to write the sign of addition. Okay, beyond that, one thing you have to write, that ones place and tens place. Okay, because sometimes what will happen when you are adding ones place, okay, when you are adding one digit number, your answer or your sum will come in 2 digit, that is in ones place and tens place. So you have to write ones and tens out here. Okay, so let's see, or let's do how you have to do the sum. Okay, so 8, you have to make the 8 circles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? And second one is 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now let's combine all the circles. Okay, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. That means how many circles are all together? 12, right? So 1 to 12. So 1 to 12 is in 2 digit number. So 2 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place, right? So you have to write it like this. 2 should be in your ones place and 1 should be in your tens place. Got it? So when you are adding this one digit number, and if your answer or if your sum is in 2 digit, you have to see the unit. Okay, ones place, okay, and tens place. Okay, this is the way how you have to add the sum. Okay, look at here, add ones and tens place. Okay, as I shown you already in my examples. Okay, so look at here, in ones place there is a 2 and 3. You have to combine or you have to add 2 and 3. Okay, and this is a sign of addition. Okay, so you have to make a circle out here, 1 2. Okay, and second number is your 3, so you have to make it like this, 1 2 3. Okay, now you have to combine all the circles, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, 5 is a single digit, that should be in ones place, so you have to write it here. Okay, so this is the way how you have to do the rest of your sum. Okay, now come to the next, that is solve the following. Okay, solve the following means word problems. Okay, here are some questions that you have to solve it. Okay, which comes under addition. Okay, look at here, number 1, Kunal has 3 sweets. Anju gives him 6 sweets more. How many sweets does Kunal have now? That means Kunal have already 3 sweets. Okay, and Anju give more sweets. She gave 6 sweets. Okay, so how many sweets altogether? So you have to do it like this. First you have to write ones place and tens place. Okay, so how many sweets does he have? First he have 3 sweets, so you have to write 3 in ones place because 3 is a singular digit. So right, so second thing, Anju gave him 6 sweets. How many sweets? 6 more sweets, so you have to write it in second line, but 6 is also a singular digit, so you have to write it like this. Okay, now do the sum. Okay, don't forget to write your symbol of addition. Okay, so you have to do it like this. Now make a circle, 1 2 3. This one is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now combine all the circles, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That means altogether he had 9 sweets. That means how many sweets does Kunal have now? Kunal have now how many sweets? 9 sweets. Okay, so this is the way how you have to do the rest of the sum. Okay, now come to next page, that is page number 13. Okay, this is also an addition but in 2 digit. Okay, look at here. First is in ones place and tens place. Okay, so but one thing you have to remember, that as I told you earlier, that whenever you are doing addition, you have to add ones place first. Okay, then only you have to move on to the next place, that is on tens place or in the 100 or whatever it is. Okay, but you have to start with ones place only. So look at here how you have to do the sum. Look at here. Make a circle. 1, 2. This is just 6, right? So you have to make a 6 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And second number is here 2. Okay. Now combine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now how many sweets are all together? How many numbers are there? 8. So you have to write 8 out here. Okay. Now come to the front, that is in the tens place. So this is your 3. So you have to make a 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And this is your 4. So you have to make a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now combine all the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means 7. So you have to write 7 out here. Okay. So this is the way how you have to do the rest of the sum by yourself. Okay. Now come to the next. Look at here. Solve the following. That is, this is also a word problem. Okay. First you have to read the question. There are 43 mango trees and 21 apple trees in a park. How many trees in all are there in the park? That means there are 43 mango trees and 21 apple trees. Okay, 41 mango trees and 21 apple trees in a park. Okay, so how many trees there are altogether? How many trees? So you have to find it out. Okay, so look at here. First you have to write ones and tens. Okay, so first, how many mango trees are there? 43 mango trees. Okay, so you have to write it like this: 4, 3, 43. Okay, 3 should be in your ones place and 4 should be in your tens place, because 4 is your 40 and 3 stand for 3, that is in ones place. Okay, so second is 21 apple trees, right? So you have to write it like this: 2, 1, 21. Now do the addition, write the symbol. Okay, now do the sum like this. First make a circle out here: 1, 2, 3. Okay, next number is 1, so do it like this. Okay, now combine the circle: 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 you have to write in ones place. Okay, now come to the front, that is 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and second number is your 2. 1, 2. Now combine the circles: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is just sum, so you have to write it here. So 6, 4, 64. 64 trees are there in all together in the park. Okay, so this is the way how you have to do the rest of the portion by yourself. Okay, now come to our next page, that is page number 14. Okay, look at here. Subtraction. Okay, what is subtraction? Let me tell you that subtraction is actually to take away some numbers from a group or the numbers. Okay, and it is always signified by the minus sign, right? So let's see the examples. Okay, now let's see the example: subtraction. Okay, this is your sign of subtraction or the symbol of subtraction. Symbol of subtraction. Okay, so I will show you how you have to subtract the sum. Okay, you have to write ones and tens place first. Okay, so let's take an example of subtracting 7 and 5. Let's take an example that you have to subtract 5 from the 7. Okay, so you have to do it like this. So this is your sign. Don't forget to write your sign. Okay, So let's see how you have to subtract the sum or how you have to take away the numbers. Okay, let's make in circles as we have done in the addition. So make a circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so next number is your 5. Okay, so you have to take away 5 from the 7. Okay, so you have to do like this. This is your 5, so you have to cut 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you took 5 circles from the 7. Okay, that means how many circles left? 1 and 2. That means how many circles left in a 7? 2. That means this 2 is the differences which you have to write it here. Okay, understood? This is the way how you have to do the subtraction. Okay, now come to our exercises portion. Okay, subtraction, ones place, tens place. Okay, this is the minute and this is the subtractant, and when you are doing the sum and when the result will come out, that will be your differences. Okay, so look at here how you have to take away the sum as I told you in the example. Okay, look at here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so here are 9 circles because the number is 9. Okay, bigger number is 9 and the smaller number is 4. That means when you are doing the subtraction, bigger number should be at the top and the smaller number should be at your bottom. Okay, so 4 is the number that you have to take away from the 9. Okay, so let's cut it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means how many circles are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means how many circles are left? 5. That means 5 is the number or 5 is the differences that you have to write it here in a ones place. Got it? So this is the way how you have to do the subtraction. Okay, so rest of the portion that you have to do it by yourself. Now look at the next, that is solve the following. That means solve the following means it's a word problem. Okay, here are some questions related with the subtraction, so you have to do the same thing as we have done like this. Okay, one thing I just want to say that in subtraction, if there is a 2-digit number, okay, if there is a 2-digit number, then also you have to do this, you have to start with the ones place only. Don't jump directly with the tens place. Okay, you have to start with the ones place. Okay, look at here, I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then second number is that is 2, which you have to take away from the 7. So cut it out. 1, 2. How many numbers are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the differences that you have to write it here below your ones place. Okay, then only you have to do the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the next number is 4, which you have to take away. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now how many circles left? 2 circles are left. So you have to write 2 out here below tens place. Okay, this is the way how you have to do your 2-digit subtraction. Okay, now come to next, that is word problem. Okay, look at the question. Number 1, couple had 16 eggs, 3 eggs were broken. How many eggs does couple have now? That means couple have 16 eggs, 3 was broken. So how many eggs were left? Look at here how you have to do the solve. First you have to write ones and tens place. Okay, so how many eggs does he have first? 16 eggs. That means bigger number should be always at the top. That means 1, 6, 16. Okay, and the broken eggs were 3. So you have to write it at the bottom. 3 is a singular unit, so it should be in ones place. Okay, so you have to write it like this, and don't forget to write the symbol. Okay, so as I told you that first you have to start with the ones place. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to make a circles of bigger number. Okay, that is 6. So smaller number is 3, which you have to take away from the 6. So 1, 2, 3. Now how many circles are left? 1, 2, 3. So 3 should be here. Okay. Now come to tens place. 1. Okay. 1 is there, but there is no number in the second line. So you have to copy it as it is. 1. But it should be in ones place. Got it? Now how many eggs does he have now? He have 13 eggs. Okay. This is the way how you have to do the rest of the portion. Okay. So this is an end of our first chapter. So I hope you all understood and do it properly, do it nicely on your exercises books, but please use pencils while you are writing on your book. Okay. Thank you.